Okay, the next thing is your body systems. I know you guys have your body system cards, but these are the correct answers, just so you make sure you're not studying the wrong thing. So for each body system, you need to know the function, the key structures, and be able to identify a picture of them. First up is your digestive system. Your digestive system, the function is to break down food into its nutrients. You absorb the nutrients and then you rid the body of waste, and that would be of solid waste, not liquid waste. Your image here is that you have the mouth and the esophagus goes down to the stomach. You have your intestines, and that's really how you identify what the digestive system is. Key structures are your oral cavity, your esophagus, your stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and your liver. Lymphatic system comes next. This is one that is less commonly known. Its function is to filter fluid in the body, mounts the attack against foreign substances. So the mounting the attack is part of your immune system. So in here, your key structures are your lymph nodes, since they're part of the lymphatic system, the spleen, the thymus, and the bone marrow. The thymus and the bone marrow is actually where we make those immune systems. So if you look at your picture, one key way to identify this versus the nervous system is there is no brain. The brain is not part of the lymphatic system. So that's the way to identify if you need to. Cardiovascular system is going to pump blood around the body, transport oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, and waste all through the body. The key structures are your heart and your blood vessels. So your picture, you have your heart in the middle, and then we have the red and the blue blood vessels. The respiratory system is going to assist in gas exchange with the external environment, so breathing in and out, keeps blood supplied with oxygen, and it removes the carbon dioxide waste. So your key structures, you have your lungs, you have your nasal cavity right above your mouth, and then you have your trachea and your bronchus going down. Okay, that is your respiratory system. Your skeletal system is going to protect and support the body organs. So if you think about your rib cage is going to protect your heart and your lungs. Your skull is going to protect your brain. So it protects and it supports, and it provides a framework that muscles can use to cause movement. So your key is your bones and your joints, and the muscles and the bones work together to cause movement. The muscular system is up next. Muscular system moves the body and moves substances around the body, maintains posture, and produces heat. So with the heat, think about what you do when you're cold. You shiver. Okay, by shivering, that is your muscles producing heat, trying to warm you up. There are 3 types of muscles. You have your skeletal muscle, which is your major muscles in your body. Your cardiac muscle is your heart. Think cardiovascular system. And then your smooth muscle are all your arteries and veins throughout your body. It's also part of your digestive system and allowing things to move. Your nervous system the function is to respond to internal and external changes by activating an appropriate response, and it processes information. So the key structures here, on this picture you can see the brain. Remember on the lymphatic system you could not, and then all these little yellow are nerves. You have nerves all over your body, and those nerves are going to allow you to figure out what's going on, send that information to the brain, and then your brain is going to cause a response. Up next is your integumentary system. And it has a funky name, but all the integumentary system is your skin, hair, and nails. So the function is it forms the body's external covering, so it's on the very outside. It protects your deeper tissue, so your muscles and your bones, from injury, and it helps regulate body temperature. So just like muscles that help you shiver and regulate your body temperature, whenever you're cold, you could also, like if you have hair standing on end, just like it is in the picture right here, that is your integumentary system, or your skin trying to keep the heat in. So they also help with your body temperature. Urinary system is up next. Urinary system is going to eliminate waste from the body, and that is your liquid waste, not the solid waste. And it regulates water balance of the blood, so we make sure that your blood has the right amount of water, has the right amount of solutes like sodium and potassium, everything that's in your body. Key structures are your kidneys, which are these dark brown things. Your bladder is right down here. And then your ureter and urethra is how the liquid waste gets out. Next up is your endocrine system, and it's our last one. Endocrine system, its function is to secrete hormones that regulate processes such as growth, reproduction, metabolism, and your body cells. So when you look at these, a lot of these are glands, and they're going to secrete hormones, which are just chemicals inside of your body. They tell parts of your body what to do. So your key structures are your adrenal gland and your pituitary gland. Those are big ones. But then your reproductive, the ovaries or the testes, also produce hormones as well. So they are all part of your endocrine system. Those are all your systems.